In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide likes on threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. On our home feed we can scroll down and it shows us the number of likes under each thread, and if we want to hide that information we need to go to our profile, tap at globe, and then tap at hide likes. Once we tap on it, we'll be taken to the Instagram app, and that's where we can turn on the option which is called hide likes, and down below it says that this setting also applies on threads. Once it is turned on, the number of likes on posts from other accounts will be hidden. If we want to hide the number of likes on our own posts, we can go to our profile. Let me quickly create some thread, and then we can tap at three dots and then choose hide like count. If I choose that option, that will hide like count on that particular thread. That's how it's done.